Welcome to Math Challengers Math Tricks. Solving the magic square in no time. The magic square puzzle is an excellent way to have fun while building both math and critical thinking skills. In this puzzle, each row, each column, and each diagonal adds up to the same number. We call this number the magic number. Put the numbers 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 in a 3x3 square diagram so that the sums of the rows, column and diagonals are equal. What is the magic sum? Step 1. List the 9 consecutive numbers in order. Step 2. Draw a 3x3 grid. Extend the middle part as shown. Step 3. Put the numbers consecutively, in its respective box. Step 4. Check the sum of each row, each column and each diagonal. Each sum must be equal to the magic number. Step 1. List the 9 consecutive numbers in order. Step 2. Start with the middle box of the top row. Place the first number there. Then, move consecutively through the other squares and place the remaining numbers. Just remember to always move diagonally up and to the right when you can. Down if you cannot. Consider the grid has wrap around. If you move out one edge of the magic square, you will re-enter on the other side. From the first number, you move up, right, but with wraparound, to the bottom right corner to place the second number. Step 4. From the second number you move up, right. Then you move again, with wraparound, to the middle left to place the 3. Step 5. From the third number you move up, right. Then you cannot move up, right from here, so move down and place the fourth number. Continue the process until all the given numbers are placed in its respective box. Check the sum of each row, each column and each diagonal. sum must be equal to the magic number. As an alternative to find for the magic sum. Since all magic squares use only consecutive numbers, we can just find for the average, which is the middle number. Next, find the sum of all the given numbers, by multiplying the average by 9. To get the magic number, just divide the sum of all the given numbers by 3.